Okay, so I just want to record a very quick demo of the gold standard. As you can see, this is the members area, and when you come in here you'll see the welcome video from me, buttons to join YouTube channel and the exclusive Facebook group, and then a welcome from Rinzi Gold himself, who is under there. But before we do that, I just wanted to do the usual thing that people do on these demo videos, which is just to show a bit of income proof. So I'm just going to head over to my Warrior Plus account right now. Obviously you can see the figures on the sales page, but this is literally right up to date, 2nd of August. So I'm just going to click refresh so you can see that updating. Just bear with me, it's just going through. There it goes. Yeah. So as you can see, the last 30-day figures are $33,266.89. It has been up as high as $41,000 last month, so you can see that screenshot actually on the sales page underneath. And that has gone up from an average of around 20,000 at the same stage last year. So as you can see, it has been, considerable growth over a sustained period of time, which means that the techniques we teach inside the Elite Tigers group, of which obviously the gold standard is part, do actually work, and they do deliver, good quality monthly incomes. Obviously the gold standard is just a part of that. It's a beginner's level course, or for those that take the first steps on that part of the ladder. I'm not saying that you're going to implement the stuff inside the gold standard and suddenly start earning 33,000 a month. No, I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is it's the important first part on the ladder, which, if you combine it with the other trainings inside the Elite Tigers group, will enable you to get to those sorts of figures. So what we find inside the gold standard, well, as I said, you've got the welcome, you've got the overview, and then we go into the main training section from Rinzi Gold himself. Then we've got some additional resources for you, a massive bundle of products which are actually going to fill in a lot of the gaps for you anyway, from anything not covered in this course, and even some free squeeze pages to use. And we do actually show you how to use the resources and how to promote as well. So it's a concise course. It is the gold standard because we think for the first time this is explained in a really clear to follow way, how you can get started if you've tried other methods and haven't succeeded with them. Rinzi explains things in a way that you can do this without any email list, without any website, without putting yourself on camera, and without having English as your first language. So whichever category you're in, you can succeed with the gold standard, and we both look forward to seeing you inside the members area.